How to use Walmart delivery service. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to use your Walmart's delivery service, you may follow up the steps. The first thing is you will need to create or sign in into a Walmart account. So head over to the application and look out for sign in option, usually in the top left corner, or you can look out for that sign in option within the application wherever. After that is done, you can just go ahead and choose how you want to use your items. So you can just go ahead and select up the items from here and select up delivery. So we also have an option called pickup of delivery in the top left. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can select the option called delivery only, and here you can just go ahead and sign in your creator account. Once you are signed in, you can just go ahead and select up the particular product that you would like to add to your cart, like checkout with. And once that is done, you can look out for this add option, tap on it, and add that particular product to your cart. And uh, the thing is, not all the items are available for delivery. If the item is available for delivery, you can just basically go ahead and add it to cart. And once it is added, you can proceed to checkout. Tap on the cart option in the top right corner of your screen, and you can look out for all of the available products here. And from here, you can just go ahead and proceed to checkout, ensuring you complete the process by the designated time to keep your reservation. And once your order is on its way, you can basically go ahead and track your progress from this section right here. And that is it. So in this way, you can use the Walmart delivery service very quick and easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.